So, I decided to come on this afternoon and show you what happened when I attempted to wash my melon colored jacket. Some people may remember it, kind of sort of like the color in the background right now. So, I'm going to head you over to a video clip, and this is clip number one. Okay, so I felt like doing a little laundry with you today. I'm washing what I call my melon jacket. Some of you might remember me wearing this. Let me close the door. Let me set this up. I just want this for a short wash. It's going to be a little more rumbly today. Why is it more rumbly today? It's going to be a little more rumbly today because I have this on a platform. But it's not going to take more but a couple of minutes. Who remembers my melon jacket? To me, it always reminded me of cantaloupe or Halloween. But I like it. It's a great jacket. It says it's time for me to throw it in the wash. I haven't worn it in a little while. And you know how it could even get dusty just hanging up in your closet. This isn't one of those situations where you wear something 3 seconds and you just throw it in a hamper. I like to get more bang for my buck when it comes to clothes. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, I have this on for a short period of time. That's one of the things that I love about this little washer thingy. Let me see what happens if I open the door here. Because it is a little shaky on the platform. Woo! Now you remember that color? Hang on. There we go. So far, so good. So this machine has paid for itself. Where I got rooked, and this is a lesson anybody watching this, please be careful on the shipping charges. That's what happened to me. I thought the shipping charges would be so much less. But that was on me because I was super excited about the price of this. But the shipping charges are practically almost half the price of this machine. But that's okay. Everybody makes a mistake now and then. This is what you call real life. Just saying, just saying. You know what I mean? So let's just watch this for a minute. I'm standing here holding the machine because I don't want it to fly off the platform. Why is it on a platform? Well, it's on a platform because I have a gravity hose, not an automatic electrical pump. It's running on gravity. So the best thing to do, as they have always said in a lot of videos, is to keep it on a platform so it could drain very, very easily. So this should be over shortly. How's everybody doing today? Well, I hope you're doing well. Yep, my melon jacket. Sorry about the shaky cam. That could not have been helped because of the thing. Oh, look at that. Already it stopped. So here's what I'm going to do. Flipping this up. Flipping this up. It's kind of a challenge trying to remove something wet and drag this over here. A little bit of a challenge. I don't want my camera getting wet at all whatsoever. No, I don't. No, I don't. And also, this is that lint trap I told you about. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I only have the jacket in. That's how it works. Cannot put a ton of stuff in. This jacket is pretty sizable. Okay, I want to show you something. Add very little soap in it. Almost practically no soap because I really didn't need it. So now basically all I'm going to do is wring this out. Watch. You know, I keep saying wring this out when I really want to say spin this out. Going to hear a funny noise. Don't get scared. Whoops. Wow. It's got to settle. Woo. That's not good. That is not good. Wow. Look, let's try this again. You see, this is real life, and in real life, things happen. All right. The reason why you heard that funny sound like that, take three guesses why. Because it is not actually, let me get this right. I want to have to sit down in order to hold this down better. Let's try this over. Wow. No, it won't work. Nope. I have to do it the right way. Sorry, guys. Once I settle this in the right direction, it does work. It'll be just fine. Anyway, you have to make sure this is totally balanced. But that's what happens. So I have to get off camera because I need two hands. But otherwise, this works perfectly. Take good care, everybody. Bye-bye. Well, so that was challenge number one, but I'm the persistent type. So let's go over to the next clip. Be right back. Okay, so we're trying this again. I tried to readjust the situation. Let's see if this works. I hope so. Wish me luck. Wow. For some reason, it's just not functioning right. That's weird. Very weird. So I'm going to have to fix this. Very weird. Oh, well, this is real life. Take care. But what I didn't realize until I was off camera, I opened the door and I saw that it was drained, that it was okay. So, I call it ringer. I meant spinner. It did spin it okay, but I didn't give up. And I want to make it official that this is the way it is supposed to sound like it always did. But there must have been a balancing problem because it was on top of the platform. So let's watch this. Okay, so I want to preface this that it was a lot of noise, but in actuality, this did ring out dry as best as it could. But I'm going to do it one more time just to see if we could avoid some of this noise, but maybe yes, maybe no. Third time is the charm. It always pays to be patient. There you go. Yeah, it was spitting a bunch of water out. That jacket is on the heavy side, so maybe I took a chance on it type thing. Yeah. Oh, well. Listen, I like to show things as it, I mean, this thing works just fine. So apparently that jacket might have been a little bit on the heavy side, but I didn't think it to be. But it still did the work. But I said, just for the heck of it, made a lot of noise and it was a little scary. And I'm like, oh my gosh, but you have to see what could happen if the machine is not leveled properly. Right now, it's pretty much leveled properly, which is why it sounds pretty darn good. So there you go. Just waiting for it to end. And I will show you. Now, you saw it sopping wet a few minutes back, right? Okay, I'm waiting for it to totally stop. Okay. So now, open sesame. Take this. Look at that. It is no longer sopping wet. There you go. It did the trick. Yay, success. Take good care now. Never give up. It is the truth. If at first you don't succeed, try again. So that noise kind of intimidated me at that moment, but it was doing the job. And the rocking, boom, 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 boom. So I'm like trying to hold the camera. I'm trying to hold down the machine. But as you saw on the third clip, even when I turned on that spinner, you just heard a slight, like nice normal noise. And then you couldn't hear anything. It was practically silent. I'm like, what? But anyway, bottom line is, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Even when it comes to washing your clothes. Just saying. Hey, don't forget to do this. Coming back this afternoon. I do appreciate you. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Take good care of yourself and each other.